Welcome to another lesson from Machine Gun Kelly's 2019 album Hotel Diablo. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Death in My Pocket. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button, helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section, I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an F minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 8th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string. Next is an E flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 8th fret. And then last is a B flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Death in My Pocket. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.